when you say that in the long term markets make money, this statement has not held true in all markets of the world. So साइंटिफिक माइंडसेट हमें क्या बोलता है कि किसी भी हाइपोथेसिस को प्रूव करना है तो हर कंडीशन में टेस्ट करके देखो. तो ये एक डायमेंशन को इन्वेस्टर्स को ध्यान में रखना जरूरी है कि मार्केट्स आर साइक्लिकल, एसेट क्लासेस आर साइक्लिकल, फंड परफॉर्मेंसेस आर साइक्लिकल. द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक्स वी मेक इज we start liking the asset class when it has done extremely well, and when its poor phase is about to start. We start liking our funds when it has done extremely well. So one of you mentioned that you have benefited from one of our funds. That fund in its 2003 to now, in its 22-year history, has had a glorious 11-year period and has had an unglorious 10-year, 12-year period. The fund has not done as well as you have done. So the credit is more you than me, because you stayed through thick and thin. So I would say that those investors who commit to this behavior of good investing, उन्हें फायदा मिलेगा अगले 20 साल के ग्रोथ का, at the cost of those who flirt with markets. Some will marry, some will flirt. Sometimes flirting works for you because you get lucky and you make that the norm. But this is a game of patience, commitment, डिसिप्लिन एंड लेंथ. तो जो भी ये 4 प्रिंसिपल्स को अगर पकड़ लेगा, उसका डेफिनेटली आउटकम्स बेहतर रहेगा. और एंड देन देयर विल बी इक्वल नंबर ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स हु विल बाय द रॉन्ग एसेट क्लास एट द रॉन्ग टाइम, एट द रॉन्ग प्राइस, गेटिंग कैरिड अवे विद स्टोरीज, पास्ट रिटर्न्स, बबल्स. A good asset class is a bad asset class if bought at the wrong price. A bad asset class is a great asset class if bought at the right price. These are so many nuances which are not easy for our engineering mind, medical mind, IAS mind, cricketing mind to understand. Investing, while is simple, is also complex because इसको दूसरी तकलीफ क्या है investing में? In an attempt to simplify, many times we end up oversimplifying also. And when we oversimplify, the problem is the listener again takes incomplete lessons and can make error. So all I'm trying to say is that it's not as easy and rosy. It's not as difficult. Like everything in life, there will be two sides.